I thought I'd take you on a little tour today with a somewhat spooky twist. As I wander through this now closed zoo, you'll see short videos representing the ghosts of animals that used to live here. And there's one now, so stay alert for more. A local nonprofit going by the name Students, Athletics, Families, and Education took on the task of clearing the overgrowth in 2021 to create the current Old Zoo Nature Trail. This zoo dates back to the 1920s. It was a popular attraction all through the 20s and for the first few years of the 1930s. One newspaper account reported as many as 400 people visiting the zoo on Sunday afternoons during its heyday. Most reports only mentioned just a few animals and told about the bear being poisoned, followed by something mysterious happening to the deer. One thing you'll find here are a lot of steps, so it's definitely not ADA accessible. And not all the steps are as carefully crafted as these, being more like the kind made by cleaning and honing a rock that was well placed by nature. Be mindful where you step. While researching this, I discovered a source that claimed there are 10 animal medallions hidden within the trails, suggesting the actual animal numbers were far greater than most accounts reported. The medallions are designed to be an interesting scavenger hunt. Animals on the badges included a bear, deer, monkey, flamingo, black widow spider, giraffe, peacock, crane, big cat, and hippopotamus. I didn't see any of the medallions when I was there, but I also wasn't looking for them. There is, however, quite a bit of graffiti that is easy to find. Some is even borderline artistic. Back in the day, if you really wanted to make it a vacation, you could rent these stone cottages and spend longer than just an afternoon. In fact, nearby there was a large concrete swimming pool, which was said to be the largest one in the world. It was actually still open in the 1970s. Besides the short trail that wanders through the old zoo enclosures and rock cliffs, you can continue on a loop that runs south parallel to Route 6, returning along the top of the ridge. You can also take an out and back that parallels County Route 12. It goes down to a rocky spot on the edge of Lake Cisco. The trails total about a mile. I had a good time here, but it was a hot day with no breeze, so I didn't dilly-dally or take any of the other trails. Go see it. I think you'll enjoy it too.